Good morning, kids. Jai Swaminarayan. In book number 3, on page number 62. See, we already have learnt about flowers in our previous pages. But in this lesson, we will learn about uses of flowers. Okay? So, write down the date first. It is 14th September 20. Now, see how and where can we use flowers. We put flowers in vases. See, we decorate our house in this way. You must have seen flower vases in this way. See, we use flowers to make bouquets. We put flowers in our hair. See, girls decorate their hair in this way also, with flowers. We make perfume with flowers, right? We make garlands with flowers. You must have seen in the temples. Now see, we decorate places with flowers. Now see, we make rangoli with flowers, right? See, we use flowers in this way also. Okay? Now see on the next page. See, circle the pictures in which flowers are used. See, we can see flowers in this picture, so we will circle this picture. See, no flowers are there in this picture. See, again we can see flowers. So we will circle this picture again. Okay. Can you see flowers in this picture? No. Again the flowers are here. Rangoli and Toran. Okay. So we will circle this picture. Right? Now see. Take the child who is taking the flowers from the correct place to give as gift. So we should collect flowers from where? Which is the correct place? Should we pluck the flowers? No, we should buy it. So this one is the correct place to get the flowers. So we will take care. Okay? Now see on the next page. Green earth. Talk about the people who are helping to keep the earth green. Put a tick on the correct activity and a cross on the wrong one. See, green earth means we should plant more trees. See, these children are planting trees. We should plant more trees. Okay, and this man is cutting a tree. Is that right? No, we should not cut trees. So this one is wrong and this one is correct. So we will put a tick on this. Okay? See you kids. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Good morning kids. Jai Swaminarayan. See kids, in book number 3, on page number 27, we have a nice story of 3 little pigs. And the name of the story is The 3 Little Pigs. So come on, we will enjoy the story now. Giggy, Higgy and Jiggy are 3 little pigs. They decide to build their own houses and start living in them. Giggy makes his house with straws. Higgy makes his house with sticks. And Jiggy makes his house with bricks. One afternoon, when the 3 pigs are playing, Waggy Wolf comes there. The pigs run into Giggy's house and Giggy shouts, "Who is afraid of you, big bad wolf? My house will save us." The wolf huffs and puffs and blows Gigi's straw house away. Then the three pigs run into Higgy's house of sticks. Now Higgy shouts from his house, "Who is afraid of you, big bad wolf? My house will save us." The wolf huffs and puffs and huffs and puffs again. He blows down Higgy's house. The pigs run to Jiggy's brick house to save their lives. The wolf comes to Jiggy's house and huffs and puffs to blow away his house too. He keeps trying but cannot blow down the house. It is very strong. The wolf gets angry and tries to break the house with his head. His head gets badly hurt and he runs away from there, never to return. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the story. See you kids. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Good morning kids. Jai Swami Narayan. Now see, in skill book, on page number 79, trace and complete the patterns below. See, up and down pattern. So we will start from down, okay, from second blue line. Go up and down and up and down and up and down. See, within two blue lines. Trace these patterns in this way. Okay. Now see. Again within two blue lines, one standing line only. See this one. Start from first blue line. Then go down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up. Okay. So finish this page. This is your classwork, and finish this page too. This is your homework. Okay kids. See you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.